Mm-hmm.
And,
You got you?
okay, so let's go to my projects page. Picked the wrong one. See right here? Dashboard pages, user access dashboard, sponsor dashboards.
Mm-hmm.
So now everyone that I've sponsored in a project, I'm able to identify and I have access here right away. Then when I go back, one of my questions is with this great user access, it provides me an environment where we show expired. And what if I just want to delete them? Can I just delete them here? As you know, I haven't played with this because,
All right. So, uh, what you need to here, go ahead. Stop sharing your screen, and then
okay, thank you.
I'll share mine. Yeah. If you wanted to delete somebody from the project from within this interface, this is similar to what you're looking at.
Yes.
All right. And you can see the users, but you would still have to go to the project. And when you click on it, it takes you to the users.
Oh,
And then you
okay.
have to come in and edit them and to remove the user.
And okay, per project, per user. Okay, I can't do it on
Correct.
that front page. Okay,
No.
that's good. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah,
Hey,
perfect.
good question because I've never even used that. I should have counted on you to have played around with that. That was pretty cool. And of course, I've never associated any, but I've never sponsored any projects. So that's kind of a cool feature too. So thanks for sharing that screen.
All is welcome. Thank you.